A horned, winged figure sits enthroned on a half cube, torch raised downward in his left hand. Before him stand a man and a woman, each loosely chained at the neck, their tails marked with fruit and fire. The devil is the archetype of bondage through illusion, desire distorted, power misused, shadow unintegrated. He reveals the chains we place upon ourselves and the freedom hidden beneath them. The devil himself is the central symbol. His goat-like form echoes Pan and Baphomet, instinct magnified, appetite unchecked, the raw life force twisted into compulsion. His wings are bat-like, symbols of fear, secrecy, and nocturnal thought. His gaze is direct and unsettling, not to terrify, but to confront. He represents the psyche's shadow, the aspects of the self we deny, repress, or refuse to acknowledge. The inverted torch he holds is the first supporting symbol. Fire directed downwards signifies creative energy lost to material obsession, passion diverted into addiction, distraction, or self-sabotage. This flame is still power, but misdirected. The torch warns that energy used unconsciously binds rather than liberates. The second symbol is the pair of chained figures. They mirror the lovers, but in a state of distortion. Their nudity signifies vulnerability. Their small horns show the internalization of the devil's influence. Yet their chains are loose, easily lifted. Their bondage is psychological, not physical. They stay because they believe they must. The devil teaches that most prisons are self-constructed. Fear, shame, denial, or attachment to familiar suffering. The third supporting symbol is the half-cube throne. The cube symbolizes stability, structure, and truth, yet the devil's seat is only half-formed. His authority rests on incomplete understanding, illusion presented as certainty, false power built on fear. This half-cube shows that the devil governs only what we refuse to examine. The fourth symbol is the torch-lit darkness surrounding the scene. Darkness here is not evil, but unconsciousness, behaviors, desires, and wounds kept out of awareness. The devil thrives where insight is absent, but the faint background light hints that illumination is always possible. The fifth symbol is the figure's tails. The woman's vine and grape cluster, pleasure turned into excess. The man's flame, drive turned into aggression. These tails show natural human impulses diverted into imbalance when unconscious. Together, these symbols reveal that the devil does not represent an external enemy, but the internal forces that bind through fear, denial, compulsion, or misplaced desire. His power dissolves the moment we choose awareness. In readings, the devil signifies attachment, addiction, obsession, limiting beliefs, shame, or seductive illusions. It asks for honesty with oneself. What chain do you hold on to? What truth do you avoid? Its counsel? Confront the shadow, reclaim your power, recognize choice where you believe there was none. Its shadow warns against blaming others for self-made bondage. The devil teaches that liberation begins with naming the lie and remembering the chain was always loose.